Hey, this is our new arrival, 16DR. It got a Kubota D722 engine and super nice little machines. It got telescope tracks, it shrinks and expands. All the bells and whistles you can get for a small excavators. Swing booms, hydraulic thumb, pilot control. Oh, super nice construction. Most importantly, it got 3 years, 3,000 hour warranty. No kidding, 3 years, 3,000 hour warranty. Oh, it locks by itself. And this is the Kubota D722 engines. Very nice organizations in this engine compartment. Quality built. All come from Anakuma.